Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a tile backsplash. Now, the first thing to do is to remove the outlet covers. You may need to pull the outlets out and away from the wall so you have room to work. Make sure you turn off the power to be safe if you're going to be pulling the outlets. Start at the end of the tile, position a wrecking bar to go between the tile and the wall, and then hit the edge with a hammer until the bar goes behind the tile. Now keep working around the edges of the tile, and eventually it will come free from the wall. You can put a towel or drop cloth down on the countertop to protect them from the falling tile so it doesn't get damaged. Once that first tile is removed, go ahead and start working your way across the rest of the tile, repeating the same procedure as you go. Now the tile is adhered to the wall quite strongly, and removing the tiles may cause the drywall to break. Try your best to be careful and not damage too much of the wall. But as you can see here, you may break off a piece of the wall or two. Your local Ace has drywall repair kits for smaller holes, but for a larger one like this, I recommend buying a larger square of drywall to fix the hole. Making the hole an even square makes patching it much easier. First, draw out a square or rectangle around the hole, then use a multi-tool with the appropriate blade to cut the drywall. Measure the new hole and cut a piece of drywall to match. To secure the new piece of drywall, place a small strip of wood inside the wall and then screw through the existing drywall to attach it. Place the new piece of drywall into the hole and attach it with screws to the piece of wood behind it. Coming up next, I'll show you how to prep your wall for a new backsplash installation.